Hello guys, welcome back to Career Bud channel. So today we will learn some Kannada through English vocabulary words which is very helpful to learn both in Kannada and English. So please watch the video till end and subscribe this channel. Your your feedback will motivate me and comment below and share with your friends this video which is very helpful. So now we will start with the greetings. In Kannada we will say Namaskara. In English, hello, hi. These are the greetings. So ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ means in English how are you ಅಥವಾ in ಕನ್ನಡ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. For thank you we will say ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು in ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ in English we will say sorry or excuse me. ಹೌದು in English we will say yes. ಇಲ್ಲ for in English we will say no. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು in English we will say please. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು please. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ in English we will say friend. friend. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ. ಮನೆ ಮನೆ house home. ಪುಸ್ತಕ in English we will say book. In Kannada ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಊಟ in English we will say food. ಊಟ food. ನೀರು in English we will say water. ನೀರು water. ಶಾಲೆ in English we will say school. ಶಾಲೆ school. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ in English we will say teacher. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ in English we will say students. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ student. ಲೇಖನಿ in English we will say pen. pen ಲೇಖನಿ. ಮೇಜು in English we will say table. ಮೇಜು table. ಕುರ್ಚಿ in English we will say chair. ಕುರ್ಚಿ chair. ಹಣ್ಣು in English we will say fruit. ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಣ್ಣು. ಹೂವು in English we will say flower. ಹೂವು flower. ಕಾರು in English we will say car ಅಥವಾ ಗಾಡಿ. ಬಸ್ in English we will say bus. ರಸ್ತೆ in English we will say road. ಮಳೆ in English we will say rain. ಮಳೆ ಮಳೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯ in English we will say sun. ಸೂರ್ಯ sun. ಚಂದ್ರ in English we will say moon. ಚಂದ್ರ moon. ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ in English we will say star ಅಥವಾ ಚುಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಬಹುದು ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೆಕ್ಕು in English we will say cat. In Kannada we will say ಬೆಕ್ಕು. In Kannada we will say ನಾಯಿ. In English dog. ನಾಯಿ dog. ಹಸು cow ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಆಕಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಎತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಬಹುದು. There will be more namings for cow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please comment below I like it And please tell me next video you want vocabulary words or sentences. Please comment below. And please share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel. Your support means a lot to me and your feedback will motivate me. Thank you so much guys.